What's up world, welcome back. Today we have 3 quick mods we're going to be installing on the Mazda 3. So the 3 mods we're going to be installing today are some handle overlays, a rear emblem, and an F1 third brake light module. Now I picked up these 3 mods from our friends over at Mikstore. And of course, as I always do, I will leave them linked in the description for you guys to check them out if you want to do them on your own car. Alright, first thing we're going to do is start with our door handles. Now these are just overlays. They have double-sided tape, stick them on, and you're good to go. So what you do is take your isopropyl alcohol, wipe it down because you want a clean surface for the tape to stick to, peel back the double-sided tape, and then just apply. And that's pretty much it. You do the same thing on the other side. Pretty simple, pretty painless. Now first impressions, quality's pretty decent. It comes in 2 finishes, I believe, just the piano black and the carbon fiber. And one thing I do like is that it has the outcrop for your fingerprint to use your keyless entry if you have that feature on your car. But one thing that I don't like is that it shows a good amount of your actual door handle still. So when people walk up to your car, they're gonna know that these are just stick on. It is what it is. And I know they did it for a good reason, simply because when you stick your hand in, you'll make contact with the plastic. And being that they didn't cover the entire door handle, you won't have that problem when you're opening the door and stuff like that. Overall, I'll give it probably about a 7 out of 10. It's pretty decent, but that's it. Let's go to the back of the car. And for the back, it's the same process. And then we just stick it on. Bam, and that's it. Now this comes in the piano black, or it also comes in the carbon fiber if you wanted to go that route also. And now, yay, no more chrome in the back. And lastly, we just have our F1 brake module. So this is the module itself. As you can see, it's just got 2 pigtails. One connects to the third brake light. The other one goes into the actual module itself. So this is kind of just like the middleman. First things first, take your plastic removal tool. Mikstore actually provides you with one. Pop open the center. Then you're gonna locate your third brake light, which is right here. Unplug it, take your module, plug it in, and then connect back to your brake light. And that's it. So now what we can do is use the provided zip ties and zip tie this up and out of the way so it doesn't rattle. Or you could just stick it back here like this. That'll work too. And that's pretty much that. So if you want to just go back to factory, just unplug the 2 clips, put your factory one back into the original clip. That's really it. So this one's pretty easy. You can turn it on and off if you really want to. And it doesn't really require too much effort to do so. And there you have it, guys. That's 3 quick and easy mods that you can do to your Mazda 3. If you like what you saw, like, share, and subscribe. We will see you in the next video. Peace.